CNC router machine with rotary axis is designed for CNC woodworking projects. It is also known as CNC lathe router machine. Rotary axis CNC router lathe machine is a type of multifunctional CNC machine. The T-slot vacuum table is used for board cutting, edging, carving, drilling and grooving, and the rotary device for turning, like a lathe machine. The axis of rotation is the geometric straight line on which the rotationally symmetrical action is performed. When the rotation action acts on the image or molecule, the vertical distance between any point in the image and the rotary axis line must always be kept constant. Rotary machining without positioning joints adopts the integral method of rotating shaft, and the cylinder engraving machine generates an automatically closed rotary cutting path. This unit is a type of heavy-duty CNC machine with wider machining range like wood, MDF, aluminum, plastic, foam, etc. You'll find plenty of room for creativity. Anything you can draw, it can cut. This machine can cut well with tremendous edge cuts because it adopts the same motion control as the larger machines. It can also runs with handheld DSP control system that makes it easy